Sometimes when we're online, we want things to be a little more flexible. The ExpressVPN split tunneling feature lets you enjoy the best of both worlds and choose exactly which apps will use a VPN connection and which apps won't. It's perfect for when you need to do certain things encrypted, like browsing the web or streaming content, but still want to use your local network for other things like printing or video calls. Here's how to activate it. First, head to your profile section in your ExpressVPN app and tap on Split Tunneling. Tap to toggle on the feature, and then click any of the buttons that appear to choose the app or IP address you wish to exclude from VPN connection. If you choose to add an app, you'll see the full list of apps on your device. From there, just choose the ones you want to keep in your local network connection. Ready to take control of your connection? Try Split Tunneling today.